All right, today we're doing the Given Spicer Lowry Trail, the Little Fox Loop. So there's a Timber Mesa, and they used to have a tram that goes up there. The base was over here, and you can see in the rock where they cut away for the tram to go. But that's a cool mesa to go around. We used to take the kids up there.
Yeah.
And it's well worth the hike to get up there. There's a few different ways to do it, but there's a lot of cliffs around it. But you got a beautiful view all around the canyon, no matter where you are on the rim of that mesa up there. This little saddle right here between Timber Mesa and this little rise off to the south is a good shortcut. If you want to shave a few minutes off this trail, you can, and don't mind bouldering, you can go up over there, either on the way there or on the way back, or both. But it's a nice little shortcut.
That's how we got up to Timber Ridge one time with Tom, wasn't it?
I think so, yeah. I like this camera for hiking. It's, you know, I've been looking for cameras and mounts and ways to kind of document a trail.
Right.
And nothing really satisfied me. Because it's like you just had to work really hard to get the shot that you wanted, and
yeah.
But this is the first time where I feel like, hey, I can you know, it gives you a good point of view, and you can get you don't have to worry about aiming it and framing the shot until later, which lets you concentrate on the hiking part. So we'll see about doing other trails with this, both official and
The official trails?
unofficial.
The what?
We'll do both official
And unofficial?
and unofficial.
Yeah.
But we won't always tell you where the unofficial ones are.
Yeah.
We don't want people to get hurt.
Yeah.
People always think it's like, oh, well, yeah, I recognize that road.
Yeah.
I recognize that.
I can do that.
I could do that. I'm like, no. Oh, they're kind of pretty good.
For the love of God, bring plenty of water.
And then the graffiti.
Yes.
You don't want everybody. You see that? There's a heart right there.
No.
On that road. It's like, oh, gosh. Idiots.
And then the idiots who bring spray paint.
Yes. Why?
Okay, I think one of the mortar rocks is over here. Nope, it's over there. Sorry. It's a cool outlook, but the mortar rock's over here. Little side diversion.
All right.
It's the trail down. Yeah. You see mortar holes over here. All these rocks are littered with them. See
Yeah.
the mortar holes?
Oh, yeah.
From prehistoric Indians. Panhandle culture people, I think. That's what they call them.
Yeah.
I think there's some on that rock too, a bunch of them.
I actually wasn't too sore from that last hike.
First big stop is I think this is called Red Star. If not, I'll post it in the video what the actual
that's
name
what
is.
it is. This trail is called Red Star.
Is it Red Star?
Yeah.
Okay, that is Red Star there.
Huh.
And it's the first chance you get a good view of the
There
lighthouse.
was another name. There's something Red Star House.
There's also
I've never seen that.
some place we'll pass later
I
on
don't know which map I was looking
in that direction. You can see it if you know what you're looking for, called the Devil's Tombstone. But good view of Sunday Canyon over here, and you can actually hike up there. It's a good place for kids to go up and hike up to the base of that guy and have fun.
Burn
A lot of
some energy.
bouldering.
Yeah.
Okay, just past the Red Star Hoodoo, there's a nice arch off the trail. Probably won't turn out well on this video, but it's a side channel up here, and it's a pretty impressive formation, dramatic cliff. Howdy. Howdy.
Morning.
But you get to it from up here just by going until you hit the stream bed, which is right here, and then just take off up the creek. Hi. So if the signs are still here, this is GSL 1.7. Just take off up the creek. These creeks are the best. They're just as good as the official trails for getting you to cool places in the canyon. But you can really get a good echo there because it's kind of like a little mini amphitheater up there, or a big amphitheater, I guess. A little bit of bouldering towards the end, like most streams. Alright, so this point on the GSL trail, a lot of people don't even see it as they go by, but that's the Devil's Tombstone, and you can go up to it, hike up there. It's just a little bit of a scramble to get up to it. It's a fairly, was more famous back in the day, I guess, but that's a neat little hoodoo.
Which one's the Devil's Tombstone?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the slanted rock there.
I had read about that.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I've been out here, but
It's taller than you think. You get back there, and a lot of its height is hidden by the ground in the forefront. but definitely worth a little side shot if you're on this trail. And it's a good destination in and of itself, so definitely check it out. So here's where all these trails come together, the GSL Lighthouse Trail and Little Fox Loop. So we're gonna go in the Little Fox Loop. Right in the middle of Sunday Canyon here.
You videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing now. Just for a little bit. I'll put it back in the time warp. Did I say bring lots of water? Bring lots of water. Alright, so this is the farthest end of the loop to Fox Trail, and you just continue to follow this around and it meets back up on itself and you go back the same way you came, or you can branch off and go down Lighthouse or whatever. But it's a nice little trail, something worth going on if you bring plenty of water. So if you see any other trails that you want me to document like this, just let me know in the comments.